What's going on, everyone? Corey from Yota Expedition here. In this video, we're going to be replacing the not so bright license plate lights on our 5th gen 4Runner with these Yota Expedition LED ones. This is a super easy install. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. This is a direct plug-in to the factory bulb location, and these are going to be a lot brighter, not only to light up your license plate, but also it's going to help when you have the vehicle in reverse and you're trying to use your backup camera. You can see right here the comparison between your OEM bulb and our Yota Expedition LED ones, and the difference is pretty drastic. So before we get into this install, if you guys want to pick up a set of these, they're on yotaexpedition.com. Our link is right down in the description. It'll take you right to the product page and you'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and get these installed. All right, so like I said, super easy. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. You're gonna have 2 screws per light. So go ahead and take all of those out. If you do lose the screws, our kit comes with brand new screws. All right, once you have the screws out, you can go ahead and pull off the cover. You'll have the cover and the seal. And then inside you'll see the bulb. You can go ahead and just pull that straight out. All right, so we got the OEM lenses off as well as the bulbs. Now, this is going to be plugging right into where the bulb was. The end is exactly the same as the bulb. So you're just going to be plugging it right into there and then screwing this back on just like you took off the OEM one. These are not side specific, but if you do take a close look at them, you can see one side is flat and one side has an arc. The arced side is going to be facing out. All right, so go ahead and take the light and plug it in just as it was the bulb. And then you can go ahead and reinstall, tuck the wiring inside here, and put your screws back in. All right, so that's it. We got the LED license plate lights installed, and now they are super bright compared to the OEM ones. If you guys want to grab a set of these for yourself, they're available on yotaexpedition.com. Link down in the description. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button. It'll definitely help us out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.